PowerPoint allows you to play videos directly inside your presentation, which is great for creating more engaging and dynamic slides. However, if you want your video to start playing automatically as soon as a slide appears, there's one important setting you need to adjust. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, let's insert a video into the PowerPoint presentation. To do this, go to the Insert tab, located at the top of the screen. On the right side of the toolbar, click on Video, and then select Video on my PC. This option lets you choose a video file that's already saved on your computer. Browse to the location where your video is stored, select it, and click Insert. Once the video is added, you'll see it appear directly on your slide. You can resize the video by dragging the corners or reposition it anywhere on the slide by clicking and dragging. At this point, you can also click the play button to preview the video, but by default, it will only play when you manually click it during the presentation. To make the video play automatically, start by clicking on the video so that it's selected. With the video selected, a new set of options will appear in the PowerPoint ribbon. Click on the Playback tab. In this menu, look for the Start option. By default, it's usually set to On Click. Click the drop-down menu next to it and change the setting to Automatically. That's all you need to do to enable automatic playback. To test it, switch PowerPoint into slideshow or presentation mode. When the slide loads, you'll see the video begin playing immediately without requiring any clicks. This feature is especially useful when you're presenting to an audience and want everything to flow smoothly. It ensures the video starts on its own as soon as you reach that slide, keeping your presentation professional and seamless. Video set to play automatically will always begin as soon as the slide appears, making them perfect for demos, background visuals, or instructional content. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps improve your next PowerPoint presentation. Happy presenting!